Everybody here at Luscombe Suzuki are proud to be able to present this lovely Suzuki Swift SZ-T 1 litre booster jet, finished in metallic black. I've had a really good look around this car myself. It's in excellent condition both inside and out. You see the alloy wheels there, all in good condition. The SZ-T has privacy glass on the rear 3 sides. It's also one of the most popular models because of the technology that it possesses, including a reversing camera. This particular car has only had one owner from new and has a full service history. The 1 litre booster jet engine is one of the most popular engines that Suzuki do because of its responsiveness and its excellent fuel economy. I'll show you around the outside of the car. I'm just going to take you inside now so you can have a good look at the interior. And as you can see, the interior is in an excellent condition. See the car's infotainment screen there? That houses the car's Bluetooth, digital radio and smartphone link, so you can link your smartphone up to the car. So you can play your music through it and use it as a sat-nav. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any questions or would like to book a test drive, please give our sales team a call. We look forward to hearing from you.